I'm Deon Thompson, also known as Dissector D, and I represent my company, which is Waxpan Discovery. We provide educational materials in the science fields, mainly relating to specimens and dissections to the homeschool communities and to other science camps and youth programs that want to emphasize sciences, particularly in anatomy. This is actually my third year with them, and I'm absolutely thrilled about it because they have the kids here who are interested in this, and at this age, they're like sponges. We're allowing it to come into these kids' lives and learn and hear and not be so afraid, but to just be a little bit more aware of what happens in their body and how to take care of it more.